Ever wondered if you can take your YouTube TV
Okay,
subscription
everything.
with you on your next trip?
Great.
The answer is a bit
We're
more
ready to go.
complicated than a simple yes or no. While the service is incredibly flexible, there are some strict geographic rules you need to know to avoid a sudden service blackout. If you are traveling within the United States, you can watch your favorite shows in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. However, the moment you cross an international border, the screen goes dark. Due to complex licensing agreements, the service is strictly geofenced, and even high-end VPNs often fail to bypass their detection systems. When you are on the move domestically, your experience actually changes based on your location. Your national channels like ESPN or HGTV stay the same, but your local networks like ABC or NBC will automatically swap to the local affiliates of the city you are visiting.
ABC,
This means you can't watch your hometown
CBS,
news live if you are 3
Fox,
states away.
NBC.
The most critical rule to remember is the 90-day check-in. To keep your account active, you must physically be in your home zip code and open the app at least once every 3 months. This applies to every single person in a family group individually. If you miss this window, your access will be suspended until you return home.
When you
Compared
get
to
that
competitors
age,
who
you
often
start to
require a
see
check-in
things
every
differently.
30 days,
Yeah,
this
I
makes it the
understand.
most travel-friendly option for long trips or students. Just remember to verify your location before you head out, and you will have seamless entertainment wherever the road takes you.